Hi guys, if you've ever wanted to grow a cucumber plant, I would, because they're absolutely so easy to grow. This is a standard pot I've used, so as you can see it's not that big, but the cucumber plant that I've managed to grow has managed to trail all the way along, all the way down here. It is in the conservatory, so it is experiencing extreme heat. So during the day I do have to water it quite frequently. As you can see, here's one cucumber here, and it's quite large, and then this one is gigantic. These are our 4th cucumbers that we've grown now. There are some flowers down here, as you can see. Being inside, you have to look out for the male flowers and the female flowers. The female flowers will always have a bulge behind them like there. Now that could potentially develop into a cucumber if it got pollinated. The males tend to be, let's just look, do you see those? There's no bulge behind the flower, or was no bulge. These are flowers that were dying off now, but there's no bulge behind that flower, so that was a male. And then the female will always have a slight bulge behind the flower. You need to take the pollen from the male with a fine brush and put that onto the female flower, and hopefully that will develop into a cucumber. Or it might not have got pollinated properly and it might just die off. Hopefully it doesn't though. I really do need to cut the fruit on these, because otherwise the plant is not going to produce any more fruit. It will put all its energy into just these. As I said, this is the fourth cucumbers that we have produced off these plants, but these will be cut tonight. Over here again in the conservatory, you can see we've got a sweetcorn plant, and it's again grown from a small pot. It's not absolutely a big pot. So the male flower is here, pollen, it should produce the pollen, and that in the wind will then fall onto this, which will then produce sweet corn if it's got pollinated. Now I felt this, and it does feel like the sweet corn in, but you can never tell. Apparently you're supposed to wait till these go brown and then cut them, but that hasn't turned brown, but I don't think it will, so that might just have to get cut soon. So I'll just take you outside now. If you bear with me, we're going to go through the lounge, and we're going to go through the kitchen, and we're going to go out, sorry about this, to the garden, and then we come out into the garden, which you can see again we've got the cucumber plants. Now here you don't have to worry about pollinating because they're doing it all by themselves, and we've got a cucumber here, and again you will see, you can see some flowers there, so keep a lookout on these flowers for the male, and then there's another one and a female if you're growing them inside. So that's just grown from a small pot like that, and then I've got another one on the floor here. Now the leaves on this getting a bit discoloured, so they must be being attacked by some kind of bug or something, I think. But if you look behind here, you can see there's a cucumber there. I think I saw some more around here. Yeah. There's one on the floor there. So they're very easy to grow. And then outside we have got, as you can see, sweet corn again. And as you can see with these sweet corn that side. Do you see what I'm talking about with regards to the colouring on these? These are not white, they're actually brown now. So when they start discolouring like that, you're supposed to cut the sweet corn, but there doesn't seem to be much sweet corn there. But let's see what happens. This is the first time I've ever grown these kind of plants. And finally, I'll just show you. No, I think that's it. I thought I might have something else to show you, but I don't. Okay, I can show you the tomato plants actually. These are all the tomato plants, and I think somewhere in there you will see there's a tomato. They've grown big this year. They've actually grown gigantic, but they don't seem to produce in here. They're just all over the place, but I can't see many tomatoes yet. Might be too late to get tomatoes from here now. So yeah, that's it. That's all our videos about our summer of planting. So if you like my video, please do subscribe and like, and I will make some more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.